Work that you've done communicating with people in Illinois about this very, very challenging infection and virus. Illinois, today you have officially entered the next phase of our path forward. And as of today, thousands of our small businesses in nearly every municipality around the state are opening their doors again safely. That includes restaurants and bars for outdoor dining, retail offices, child care services, service counters, personal care businesses, manufacturing, some health and fitness centers, offices, youth sports, campgrounds, outdoor recreation operations, youth summer programs, and tennis facilities. And as of today, all of our state parks are open. Golf courses can allow expanded use, and tracks can restore business with harness and horse racing operations. And as of today, people can gather or camp or boat in groups of 10 or fewer, though again, the safest choice of all, especially for our most vulnerable population, is to stay at home. Today, I'll be signing a new executive order that reflects the changes under Phase 3 of Restore Illinois. Because Illinoisans have succeeded in moving beyond staying home as our primary goal, this brings to an end Illinois' stay-at-home executive order. The success of the last phase is evidenced by the declining positivity rate, the declining hospitalizations, the declining ICU bed use, and declining number of deaths. As we end that phase, it's important to take note that the people of Illinois have taken this seriously, and that has made all the difference. In this new phase, the new executive order, called the Community Recovery Order, reflects our new, more open reality. But for public health purposes, it still requires limits of groups of 10 or fewer for all groups, and continuing other mitigation practices, such as maintaining social distance and wearing a face covering in public by all who are able. In addition to the extension of necessary legal mechanisms, like our disaster proclamation, the state and national economy demand that we take action to protect people as best we can from the financial challenges that COVID-19 has brought on. So I'll also be extending our ban on residential evictions, moratorium on utility shutoffs, and suspension on repossession of vehicles. We will also continue offering the ability to conduct marriages and notarizations remotely, as well as the suspension of many in-person licensing and training requirements for the time being to ensure that workers can keep their professional credentials active. The significant personal pain that Illinoisans are feeling from this pandemic does not end with our stay-at-home order. Indeed, it's more important than ever to support our working families as we begin our safe recovery. The journey to this point has seemed very long, and unfortunately, the journey is far from over. Let's be clear on this. The virus is still out there, and it is still very dangerous. But here's what's different. In March, we became the second state in the nation to put a stay-at-home order in effect in order to reduce the potential for exponential spread and unimaginable suffering, and to prevent our hospitals from becoming overwhelmed and unable to comfort and treat COVID-positive patients and those with other emergencies. And over many weeks, we did just that. Not me and not Dr. Ezike, all of you. Millions of Illinoisans doing the right thing for their communities, choosing to be all in for your neighbors and your family and your friends. I know there's a whole lot of noise and bad news out there, so let me tell you a little bit of good news about what Illinois has done. As a state, we're averaging nearly 250 fewer COVID-19 patients in intensive care each day than we were 4 weeks ago, a 20% decrease. We're also averaging nearly 40 fewer COVID-19 related deaths per day than we were just 2 weeks ago, a 32% decrease. The president puts out a lot of tweets encouraging reopening before experts say that we should, but the White House guidelines on reopening, developed by Dr. Fauci and the CDC, are actually really specific and data-driven, focusing on positive tests per capita and positivity rates, overall testing rates, hospitalizations, and ICU availability, the same metrics that we track here in Illinois. Well, earlier this week, Illinois became the first state in the nation to meet the White House guidelines to move to the next phase of reopening, the first in the nation. The path to this point has been tremendously difficult, no doubt. And we have lost over 5,000 of our fellow Illinoisans to this virus. It's a harrowing number, and it's just over a few months. Many of our residents have lost someone they love, a family member, a friend, to this virus. I have too. If you're someone who doesn't know a single person who has died because of COVID-19 or been hospitalized because of COVID-19, well, that doesn't mean that pain isn't real for another mother, another child, another friend. I hope you will take at least a moment to grieve for their loss. As we take our next step forward, and especially as we begin to safely reopen meaningful swaths of our economy, we have to continue to look out for each other. Our number one priority must be the health and safety of workers and families and all of our state's residents. Finally, let me address this platform from which I'm speaking today. 82 days ago, we held our first of these daily briefings. And aside from the last few weekends, we've joined together every afternoon for a public update on our COVID-19 response every day since. Keeping the public informed and our operations transparent has been our top priority over the last 2.5 months, and it's been throughout my administration. And on that front, nothing's going to change. But as the state moves into phase 3 of our Restore Illinois plan, our daily update will be replaced by briefings specifically dedicated to COVID-19 only on an as-needed basis. That will start on Monday. Instead, we'll be bringing back some of our more traditional public events. I'll continue to make myself available to the press as often as possible, and of course, COVID-19 questions are welcome at briefings no matter the topic at hand. Additionally, IDPH will continue to send out our daily COVID-19 press releases, and our Restore Illinois regional metrics will continue updating every 24 hours so that the public can track our progress online. And you can find the latest status of your region as we move through phase 3 at dph.illinois.gov/restore. So thank you, and happy to take any questions from members of the media.